Then comes the lakes in North America. What are the different lakes? See, there are 5 Great Lakes which we call. General ga 5 Great Lakes antam. The USA and Canada is made with 5 Great Lakes antam. 5 Great Lakes. So that we need to understand. Before that, what are the lakes in Canada? What are the lakes in Canada? We'll understand. The Great Bear Lake. This is a Great Bear Lake. Then this is the Great Slave Lake. The Great Slave Lake. Then this is Athabascus Lake, and we have a lake called Reindeer Lake, and this is the last lake called Winnipeg Lake. These are all the 5 lakes which are present in the Canada. Sir, how do we remember this? I have a story. I generally remember these through stories. See, there is a bear. A slave has killed the bear. And this is Athabascus. So Athabascus, that is, he went through bus. He has taken the bear through bus. Then he encountered a reindeer. And if he kills the reindeer, he'll win. And he'll have a pig. Okay? So this is how you can remember easily. So there is a bear which is killed by a slave, and he is taking it through bus, and he encountered reindeer. And if he wins the reindeer, he'll get a pig. That is called Winnipeg. These are all the 5 lakes in the Canada. 5 lakes. Then these are entirely in Canada. These lakes are entirely in Canada. But some of the lakes are in between the Canada and Mexico. Canada and Mexico touch out to koni lakes unte. Vatni Great Lakes of the North American continent. Great Lakes. So we have 5 lakes, 5 such lakes. We have 5 such lakes. These are 5 such lakes. 5 such lakes. The first lake is Lake Superior. Lake Superior is the first such lake. Then second lake is Lake Michigan. And third such lake, Lake Huron. Then fourth lake, Lake Ontario. Lake Erie. This is Lake Erie. There are 5 such lakes. Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. All these are 5 such lakes. So you can remember that through this mnemonic. HOMES, homes. H for Huron, O for Ontario, M for Michigan, then E for Erie, S for Superior. This is Erie. So S for Superior. Ila homes ane mnemonic use chesi you can identify the 5 Great Lakes which are present in the North American continent. And regarding the Lake Superior, we need to understand it is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Largest freshwater lake in the world. It is the largest freshwater lake in the world, but it is not the largest. Freshwater lo largest, but overall చూస్తే lakes అన్నిట్లో lakes of fresh water ఉంటాయి, saline water ఉంటాయి, లేదా brackish water ఉంటాయి. 3 types of lakes generally. Fresh water ఉంటుంది, saline ఉంటుంది, brackish water lakes. Fresh water lo it is the largest. But out of all the lakes, fresh water, the saline water, brackish water, Caspian Sea is the largest. Caspian Sea is the largest. Sea అంటాం, it's actually lake. So Caspian Sea is the largest lake among all the lakes. But when it comes to fresh water, the largest lake is the Superior, Lake Superior, which is present in between USA and Canada. Okay. And this Lake Ontario is the smallest. This is the smallest among the Great Lakes in USA. Smallest among the Great Lakes in USA. Smallest. Lake Ontario is the smallest, and Lake Superior is the largest lake among all the lakes. And in USA we have another lake called Great Salt Lake. USA lo matrame there is a lake called Great Salt Lake. USA, only in USA. The Great Salt Lake. Great Salt Lake is the only lake which is present in USA. USA lo Canada to kalavakunda only USA lo undannamata. Great Salt Lake.